Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we spotlight stocks with massive catalysts. I'm Mitchell, and today we're breaking down Athira Pharma, ticker ATHA, a clinical stage biopharma shifting focus to high unmet need therapies. Blockbuster news dropped today, December 18th. Athira secured exclusive global rights to lasofoxifene, a selective estrogen receptor modulator, in a potentially registrational phase 3 trial for ESR1 mutated metastatic breast cancer. The Elaine 3 study is over 50% enrolled, with data expected mid 2027. To fuel this pivot, they announced up to $236 million in financing, including a $90 million private placement. The market is exploding. Shares are surging over 75% in a pre-market to around $7.30 after closing near $4.13 yesterday. This oncology move could transform Athira's pipeline. Momentum trade or long-term winner? Comment your take below. Buy the hype, hold, or caution. Like for more biotech bombshells, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my channel today. See you in the next one.